Hi friends, welcome to English Guru YouTube channel. Now I am going to teach you some MCQ questions on active and passive voice. Let's start. Question number 1. This problem dash by your brother yesterday. Four options have given here. Option A was solved, B will be solved, C is solved, D solves. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here. Yesterday, it refers to past tense. Understood? If any sentence refers to past tense, we should also change that sentence into passive voice according to the rule that refers to that aspect. Understood? This sentence is extracted from past simple aspect, and we must follow the rule was, where plus V3 according to the object. So here the correct option is was solved. This problem was solved by your brother yesterday. Understood? Next one. My father wrote this book. It dash by my father. Option A will be wrote, B was right, C was written, D is written. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance on this sentence. My father wrote this book. This sentence is extracted from past simple aspect, and we should follow the rule was, where plus V3 according to the object. Understood? Which is object here? Book. Understood? This sentence is extracted from past simple or past indefinite aspect. That's why its correct option is was written. It was written by my father. Next one, question number 3. This clock dash in 1750. This clock dash in 1750. Option A is made, B was made, C is making, D will be made. My lovable students, my amiable friends, this sentence also refers to past simple or past indefinite aspect. This clock dash in 1750. My lovable students, my amiable friends, I have already explained you that if any sentence refers to past simple or past indefinite aspect, we should follow the rule was, where plus V3 according to the object. If the object has written in singular form, we should use the singular verb. If the object has written in plural form, we have to use the plural verb. Understood? So its correct option is was made. Understood? This clock was made in 1750. Question number 4. Brunson scored a goal. Yes, a goal dashed by Brunson. Option A is scored, B scored. Option A is scored, B scored, C will be scored, was scored. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option is was scored. Brunson scored a goal. Yes, a goal was scored by Brunson. So first of all we have to take a glance here. Brunson scored a goal. This sentence is also extracted from past simple aspect. So that's why we should follow the past simple rule. How can you change a sentence to passive voice? Was, were plus V3 according to the object. That's why its correct option is option D, was scored. A goal was scored by Brunson. Question number 5. This job dash by my friend next week. This job dash by my friend next week. Option A is done. B did. C will be done. D was done. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here. Next week. It refers to future simple or future indefinite aspect. Understood? That's why we should follow the rule. The future simple aspect will or shall plus be plus V3. Its correct option is option C. This job will be done by my friend next week. Question number 6. This house was dash my grandfather. This house was dash my grandfather. Option A built for. B built by. C built for. D built by. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here. This house was, which means it refers to past simple or past indefinite aspect. That's why its correct option is built by. This house was built by my grandfather. Question number 7. This exercise will dash at home by me. This exercise will dash at home by me. Option A be doing. B do. C have done. D be done. First of all, we have to take a glance on this sentence. This exercise will, which means this sentence has extracted from future simple or future indefinite aspect. That's why its correct option will be this exercise will be done at home by me. Option D will be the correct one. Option B, this exercise will be done at home by me. Question number 8. Was the window pane dash the children? Option A broke. B broken by. C broke for. D broken for. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here. Was the window pane? This sentence is extracted from past simple aspect. That's why its correct option is option B broken by. Was the window pane broken by the children? Question number 9. All the beds were dash my grandmother. All the beds were dash my grandmother. Option A made by. B made for. C make by. D make for. This sentence has also extracted from past simple aspect. That's why its correct option will be option A, made by. All the beds were made by my grandmother. Question number 10. Many writers were dash Shakespeare. Option A, influenced by. B, influenced by. C, influenced for. D, influenced for. This sentence has also extracted from past simple or past indefinite aspect. That's why its correct option is many writers were influenced by. Option B, influenced by Shakespeare. Question number 11. The money dash stolen by the thieves if you leave it there. Option A, was. B, will be. C, has been. D, is. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here. If you leave it there, this sentence has extracted from the conditional clause type 1. Understood? Type 1, the rule of type 1 is if plus present simple, MC plus, MC means main clause, plus future simple. That's why its correct option is option B. The money will be stolen by the thieves if you leave it there. Question number 12. Mr. Johnson dash this book. Option A, is translated. B, translated by. C, translated. D, was translated. My lovable students, my amiable friends, this sentence has also extracted from past simple or past indefinite aspect. Its correct option is was translated. Mr. Johnson was translated this book. My lovable students, option B, take a glance on option B. What has written here? Only translated written here. Understood? Option B? No. Option B, translated by written, and option A is translated written. So my lovable students, Mr. Johnson translated this book. Understood? So option C will be the correct one. Definitely this is the wrong one. Unfortunately I told this one. This is not at all. And we have to take a glance. Option C. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance on option C. Mr. Johnson translated this book. This is the correct one. Understood? Mr. Johnson translated this book. This is the correct one. Next one, question number 13. This policeman dashed that man. This policeman dashed that man. This sentence has written in active voice. Like that, if we consider the previous sentence, question number 12, Mr. Johnson translated this book. This sentence has also written in active voice. Understood? And the next one, question number 13. This policeman dashed that man. Option A, was arrested by. B, arrested for. C, arrested. D, will be arrested. My lovable students, my amiable friends, I have already explicated you that this sentence has written in active voice. That's why its correct option is option C. This policeman arrested that man. Question number 14. We will dash by that teacher. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Option A, be teached. B, have taught. C, be taught. D, been taught. Its correct option is option C, be taught. We will be taught by that teacher. Question number 15. Many things dash in this house. Option A is said. B are said. C they say. D they are said. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Its correct option is many things are said. Option B. Many things are said in this house. Question number 16. This mansion dash in 1750. Option A is built. B was built. C will be built. D builded. My lovable students, my amiable friends. This sentence has also extracted from past simple or past indefinite aspect. That's why its correct option is option B, was built. This mansion was built in 1750. Question number 17. They will dash this car soon. Option A, be bought. B, buying. C, buy. D, is bought. My lovable students, my amiable friends, this sentence has also extracted from future simple or future indefinite aspect. If we want to change any sentence, which sentence we have extracted from future simple aspect, we should follow the rule will or shall plus be plus B3. Understood? That's why its correct option is they will be bought this car soon. Understood? They will be bought this car soon. Question number 18. This car will dash soon. Option A, be bought. B, be buying. C, buy. D, is bought. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Its correct option is be bought. This car will be bought soon. Then question number 19. The jar dashed by the maid. Option A, was broken. B, broke. C, is broken. D, breaks. Its correct option is was broken. The jar was broken by the maid. Question number 20. The center forward dash a goal. The center forward dash a goal. Option A, was scored. B, scores. C, is scored. D, has scored. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option is the center forward was scored a goal. Option A is the correct one. My lovable students, my amiable friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this English Guru YouTube channel to brush up your knowledge on English grammar. Thanks a lot. May God bless you.